stupidest things that I got for the vibe and don't vibe with them anymore. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Rizzy Princess Sanjana and the berry you wish you never had. Hello. I'm finally back on my trademark location and I'm so happy about it. So apparently my brain thought to spend some money on these aesthetics that just now sit in the corner of my room, watching me, judging me, and finally getting their purpose in my life via this vlog. But before we start, you have to rate my look. Well, I am not accessorizing it much because, honey, this whole thing that you see is itself an accessory and a flex. So let's start with the very first thing. I'm also going to tell you a little background. So when I first went to Coventry, I stumbled upon this huge stationery store, and being a stationery obsessed girl since birth, I decided I must check it out. And when I checked it out, there were a lot of stuff. There was stuff for everything and all the unnecessary as well as necessary things were there. There were a lot of paint brushes, there were a lot of painting color pens, sketchbooks, books, and I don't know what else. And after a dramatic overthinking session, confusion and guessing, I finally decided that I'm gonna get this, a sketchbook. I got this because मुझे लगा कि कॉवेंट्री में मैं जितनी भी नई चीज़ें देखूंगी, I am going to document them inside of the sketchbook as sketches. So let's see how much have we accomplished from what we decided. So there is this one sketch on the first page, and then there are these 2-3 things that I've tried to collage, and then there is girl with pearl earring, and then the entire sketchbook is empty. So that's our first thing. Now let's move to the second. So this one is a little funny. I don't know what came into my mind and I just got these. It's 50 Shades of Grey. In the book, it's Freed and the Darker. Earlier I used to travel a lot. So for that purpose, I thought I might have a few novels with me, and I don't know what came into my mind and I got these from a bookstore. Since then, I haven't even read a single page. It was almost in the trash and I got it just to show it to you all. Well, we can say that did not just stop me. I also got this. This is The Longest Ride from Nicholas Spark. I would be lying if I say I did not read it, just a bit, but then it started to get a little too boring for my taste, so I could never complete it, and now it's just lying in some corner of my room and I don't even touch it. Moving on, just like that, I got another sketchbook for myself, which is this one. It's much bigger in size and that is why I got it, but since then, I have done everything other than sketching inside of it. I have my interview round questions and answers inside of it. List of things to do. C# code on what to do when game objects collides with something. Physics, maths, Euclid's division algorithm, and then the pages are empty. And next is another diary that I got from Pune. I don't know where did we go, but I just got it because I kind of like this lavender color. This is from DIY. Oh yeah, I got it. But honestly, I have only filled a few pages, these many pages, and trust me, they are very depressing. So I don't think I'm gonna keep them anyway. Rest the entire diary is just empty. Because after purchasing and using it, I realized कि इतना आसान नहीं है इतनी छोटी सी जगह पे लिखना. It's irritating and painful. So this is something that I can't say that it's stupid, but it's not waste of money because I kind of love this one. In my previous vlogs, you must have heard about Fargo Village. If not, then just go check it out. So I got this from there. And being a girl who calls herself Disney Princess, I actually have a habit of picking flowers. And when I went to Coventry, I always used to pick flowers. So one day I just decided that I will document all those flowers, and for that purpose I got this, and I have a few flowers inside of it that I'm gonna show you. There's a feather as well. That's all. मेरा बस चलता ना तो मैं वॉल्ट डिज्नी को अभी फोन करके कहती कि please cast me in some role. Next is this. This one is also my personal favorite. This is from the brand Hime. It has 48 colors inside of it and they are all gouache. So let me just show it to you. And this is how it looks from inside. Isn't it cool? Trust me, this is not a waste of money because they claim that even though these colors get dried up, you simply have to add a little water to it and then it's gonna do its work. Although I haven't tested it. Next is this canvas. This is something that I've been saving for long because when I was in Pune, मैंने बहुत stupid चीज के लिए ये खरीदा था. I wanted to have hand imprints of me and my best. So I decided कि as a memory we are gonna keep it. But हम कभी बना ही नहीं पाए and since then I am still carrying this with me wherever I go. So now I think we can definitely put this in use. The very last thing is this hair dryer. I swear I don't even remember the last time I used it. Every time I went to the salon and वहाँ पे I realized that they are using this. तो मैंने सोचा कि let's instead of getting a hair straightener, let's get a hair dryer and see if it works the same way when I do it myself. But honestly, it was also a flop show. मैंने इसको लाइफ में सिर्फ एक ही बार यूज किया होगा. उसके बाद से I did not even know where this was. आज just to show it to you all, I somehow managed to find it. So please इसको बहुत अच्छे से देख लें. So that's all you guys. Oh shit, I forget one thing. How can I forget this? I was absolutely influenced by the dropshipping community and they definitely made me buy this. मैंने इसे एक बार भी नहीं चलाया है. I still don't understand why did I even get this जब मुझे इसे use ही नहीं करना. So that's all you guys. I'm damn sure you also have a lot of stuff that you bought for the vibe but don't vibe with them anymore. Let me know those things in the comment section. I'd be more than happy to know. I'm thinking of flexing my diary collection in my coming video, but only if you guys show some excitement in the comment section. Well, I'm gonna show it anyway. Alright then. I hope you had a lot of fun. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next video. Mwah. Bye!